Today is an exciting day because it is install wall day. Da, 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 da. So I have planned this for a while, but I really wanted a focal wall in my living room, and I wanted to accent this fireplace a little bit more. So I have spent a lot of time painting a bunch of panels, and I finally get to put them up today. I know I wanted to do something special on that wall, and I thought about doing wallpaper, but then I also was really interested in like a wood panel look. But the thing is, you're probably asking, Taylor, why don't you just go to Home Depot or something and pick up some wood? But for one, I don't have a car, and lugging all of that wood would be way too much, and wood can kind of be expensive, so I thought this would be an easier, cheaper alternative. The texture it came in was okay, but I knew it wouldn't line up too well, and I think that would ruin the illusion, so I just painted it black. So these are all the panels, and I think they turned out really nice. It has a little bit of a shine to it, and it kind of reminds me of like, what's that style, the Japanese style where they burn wood and it's like a black charcoal. I'm gonna insert word here. But I really like that style, and it kind of reminds me of that, and I'm hoping it's gonna look really good on the wall. So let's put this up. Step one in this process: removal of everything on the shelves. Okay, I'm gonna give this a quick clean down before I hop up there and start putting the panels up. Okay, so here is the trick that I'm gonna be doing for installing these panels, because let's remember, this is a renter-friendly projects. All my projects are renter friendly. So I got these panels from Amazon. As you saw, they were that original wood. Now they're black. The great thing about them too is they have an adhesive on the back. But what I'm gonna do is, instead of just placing that on the wall, because there can be issues of like, when I try to move out, it could just be a lot of more effort to get it off the wall. I'm going to instead attach them to each other and create a grid that they're already pre-connected, and then I'm going to use removable strips to attach it to the top of the wall and let it kind of hang down, if that makes sense. So I think that's a safer way to do these. So I'm gonna do that now. Also, something that's important that I'm gonna do is, around the trim of each panel, there's an extra border. And what is important to make it flush so it looks like wood paneling is I'm gonna make sure that it's cut down so when I stick it together, it looks flush and you don't see this middle margin area. Okay, see how I trimmed that bottom? Okay, this did take a while, but we have the top wall done, and it's actually looking really good. I'm excited. I was able to put this all up with just one command strip per panel at the top row, and it just kind of hangs down, and that's such a safe cleanup. Once I have to get out of the apartment, I usually just take it down. Those things are so easy to remove. Remember, like, it's foam, so it's very lightweight. Yeah, and what a statement. It's really bringing the eye up, and I really like the kind of pattern that it's giving. Honestly, this company should make more colors. They should make a lot of these colors, as I would buy all of them. Okay. Now I'm going to fill in these areas for the shelves to kind of match it going down. And then I'm gonna go through and kind of just paint some of the seams just to clean that up and make it look even more intentional. So I finally finished the bottom area. This project does take a lot of time. Like just the top area was about an hour and a half. The bottom area was like an hour and a half. I started this in the morning and it's already like 3. So it looks really good though. I was able to like Tetris in some of the pieces in the bottom area because they say to measure twice, cut once. I had to do a lot of cutting, but I got it to fit, and I didn't even have to adhere a lot of it because it was able to just slide in, which is convenient. But I do need to clean up some areas, like there's some seams that I'll go in with paint and just touch up right now. Okay, I'm so tired at this point, but it's looking really good. Let's just decorate the shelves. Let's put the stuff back. Okay, so it's finally finished. The wall. This is such a long project, but I'm actually so happy with how it turned out. Thank you guys for watching this. I hope this inspires you to make over your space. This is all renter friendly stuff in this apartment. If you want to see more renter friendly DIYs, go ahead and give a like and subscribe down below. I really do appreciate it and love all the comments and love that you guys give me. So thank you for watching again. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.